Hello, my name is Sam Rubin, and in this video I'll be providing a brief demo on the application called VizQuiz that I've been developing, as well as a little bit of information and demoing regarding the XML database that was constructed to make this app possible. So we've already launched the app on the iPhone simulator, which is a application that can be run directly from Xcode, which is in the background of my screen right now. That's the iOS software development tool. And here's our app we've loaded. We're at the main menu right now. We're going to go ahead and click play. And here we're brought to the game select scene. So you can see that all the different game types to be chosen are right here. You have logos, characters, product mascots, apps, and you can see the various queried data that is presented here, such as the name, the score, and the count for each of these game types, as well as the image that is associated with them that is pulled from the files. So we're going to go ahead and click on the product mascots game type. This now brings us to the level select screen. This is where we choose which level we would wish to play within this specified game type. As you can see, the only level we have available right now is level 1 because we have not progressed far enough in the game. As you can see, all the other levels that are locked are not being able to be clicked on. In addition, we can see the various queried data such as the level number on each of the different images, as well as the score over the total count of icons for each level. We're going to go ahead and play level 1. Once again, you can see that the score over the total count is displayed directly back to the user, and we're also given an instance of each unique icon associated for that level. So here we're going to go ahead and click on the first one. As you all may know, this is a very popular product mascot for the insurance company Geico. So we are going to type in Geico and click return, and the system will indicate that we are indeed correct. We'll now go back. We also know this one. We'll try Frosted Flakes, the popular cereal brand. We're also correct. We'll go back. We'll do one more. And just to show you, if we do get it wrong, we type in Burger King with 3 G's, it's going to indicate that we're wrong there. It's going to give a little feedback. I'm not sure if you can hear that. The red X and the sound that we're incorrect, so that the user may indicate and try again a better answer. Now, after we've gotten 3 correct answers, the user can go in, and this Show Hint button is now available to the user. When they click Show Hint, the hint from that associated icon is displayed. So here we're given the hint over 25 billion served, which is a popular motto for the restaurant chain McDonald's. So we will go ahead and type that in, click return, and we are indeed correct. So that's the basic functionality of the app. One last thing I wanted to show is how the scores update. You can see now that we've gotten these top 4 correct. Our score for level 1 is 4 out of 15. Our score for this level is 4 out of 15. And our score for the product mascots category as a whole is 4 out of 180. So you can see that the score varies between the different levels of the hierarchy that you're using. One last thing is that suppose we clicked on goldfish and we're about to guess this. Excuse me. And we get a call on our phone, so we have to hit the home button, and we want to go back into the app to continue playing. You'll notice it brings us directly back to the goldfish scene. This is a result of the game data entity that was created that stores the given selected game type, level, and icon. So now what I'm going to do is walk you through a brief vision of what happened with the XML database. So we are actually going to quit out of. First, we're going to reset this the phone so the data is erased, and we're going to go back to our Xcode project here. I'm now going to navigate to Data, Icons, Icon Files, and this Chapter 3, Level 1 XML file, where all the icon information for that level I was just playing is specified. Here you can see various instances of icons are created with the name, auto-incremented number, whether the user has guessed it correctly or not, the data, which is the various acceptable answers for that icon, the hint, and whether the hint's been used or not by the user, all associated for that icon. As you can see in the Data tab, the various different answers are separated by a comma. These include the Geico Gecko, Geico Insurance, or just simply Geico. All of these would have been acceptable answers for the Geico which we were guessing. Now suppose we wanted to make a modification to this XML database. It's actually very simple and easy to do. So for McDonald's, suppose we want to also accept the answer McDonald's with an extra A in there. Although this is not the correct spelling, it may prove to be true that many people do indicate this as the correct spelling. So we'll go ahead and add that in there. We'll save it. And what we're going to do is we're going to run our app again now. So we're going to click Run. It is now building. It may take a while, unfortunately, just because the video software running. Oh, there it comes. And once again, we're brought up now. We're going to click Play. Now, when I reset, all my information reset, so I've now gone back to 0. Otherwise, it would have saved all my information upon quitting the app. We'll go back. We'll do McDonald's. And now we'll type in the different answer. And as you can see, we got it right, but it does display the correct spelling for the user so that they may know if they had made an error or not. That concludes this demo of VizQuiz. Thank you for your time, and hope to see you soon.